When choosing small architectural forms for a garden or cottage, it is important that the created composition be harmonious. The unity of style is one of the main requirements for the arrangement of a garden plot, but this doesn't mean that all objects should have the same design or be only wooden or forged. With the help of small architectural forms, several styles can be combined on one square. The integrity of the image is also created taking into account 1. Proportional ratios of elements installed in the garden available on the side of plant compositions. Small flower beds, for example, are combined with low bridges, benches, small fountains, and among the apple trees near the house, you can put a high pergola. 2. Zoning of the territory. Gazebos are appropriate in the recreation area, lanterns along all paths on the side, and green hedges anywhere. 3. The expediency of using objects of the appropriate type on a site with wooden buildings and a country-style landscape. It is better not to put garden statues made of concrete or open-work arches, and ceramic decor or a pergola of strict shape will be appropriate. Original design of flower beds in the courtyard of a private house. At the moment, a person's imagination does not limit anything, so even a flower garden can become a small work of art. To create a stylish and attractive design of the flower bed, the following materials are used. Stone. A log is a flower garden form, cleansed of the bark. Trimming a metal or cement pipe. Old furniture, for example chairs or beds. Flower beds of old tires painted in different colors. Borders made of glass or plastic bottles. Flower bed with succulents. You should not think that a full-fledged flower bed with succulents can be equipped on your site only on the condition that this very site is not in the middle lane, but much to the south. Undoubtedly, the range of succulents available for cultivation in a temperate climate will be several types smaller than that available to the inhabitants of the southern regions. However, even these plants are enough to create a rich and complete composition in the garden. Pay attention to stone crops and young. Only 2 varieties of succulents and what a variety of colors and shapes. We have introduced you to only some options for using stones in the garden and flower garden. In fact, from much more. Stones are used to create dry streams, waterfalls, or spectacular compositions where one or more stone blocks act as a garden dominant. Dream and fantasize, but do not forget about the golden rules of landscape design, and then your garden will look not only original but also organic.